The upcoming IIIF150 B2 Ultra is going to be the first rugged phone with a 200MP camera. There is no rugged phone, I repeat, no rugged phone with a 200MP camera. We are starting to see rugged phones with 108MP camera, which is nice, but this device is going to be coming with a 200MP camera. Now, there are few devices in the entire world with 200MP cameras. These devices are usually flagships and few mid-rangers. An example of a flagship with a 200MP camera is the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now, I'm not saying that the 200MP camera on the Galaxy S23 Ultra would be the same as this one. This one would clearly underperform when compared with the 200MP camera on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, because the S23 Ultra is a flagship device. But the fact that this phone will be shipping with a 200MP camera makes me amazed, guys. This is just insane. This is great. So the device, like I mentioned earlier, is called the IIIF150 B2 Ultra. Something that I want to point out is this device would not be powered by the Helio G99 because the G99 supports up to 108MP camera. The G99 doesn't support more than that. So I believe this device will be powered by a much more powerful processor that supports up to 200MP camera. But I believe this device is going to be a 5G rugged phone. Anyway, the device will also have a 15,000 mAh battery, a 120Hz 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display, 12GB RAM, 256GB internal storage, dual display, as in one in the front and of course another one in the back. So this device is going to be a beast anytime it is released. I don't know its release date, and I believe the device will support fast charging, perhaps up to 65 watts or so. I'm only speculating, all right. And like I mentioned earlier, I don't know the release date, but I believe this device will be coming this year. And once it's released, I'll update you guys. This device is going to be a beast. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts about this upcoming beast from IIIF150. So feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.